There is this story, a mask vendor, innocent and kind. Ali, a life cut short, left behind. No weapon in hand, just a face so bright, shot by those meant to protect. In plain sight, tears fall for Ali, a life so unfair, a vendor's dreams shattered beyond repair. His masks, a symbol of hope and care, now stained with blood, a tragic snare. Injustice, a family's sorrow, a community's dismay. Ali's story, a tale of pain and strife. Because I'm not in power, my life in a second is shut. I'm not in forces, my life in a second is shot. I'm a human armed with words, a human selling masks for a living. I have no gun to protect myself. My life in a second is shut. Gun with one to protect, the protector shut me down in a second. Power in the wrong hands, giving orders to a man armed with gun, to shut down a man armed with just words. A man with words, a life has been shut. My voice, my power. My voice, a threat to the one in power. In a second, our life is shut. Shut down by the one in power, the one to protect. The man armed with words, shut down by the one in power. Oh, word, oh voice, how loud are you to threaten the one in power? This is injustice. I'm saying this with a soul thirsty for justice.